Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock your phone and open the Tether app. Make sure your phone is connected to the router's Wi-Fi network or to its setup hotspot. This ensures the app can find the device. Once done, allow Bluetooth and location temporarily. The app uses them to discover routers faster. If you already created a TP Link ID, have that email and password at hand. Otherwise, be ready to use the router admin password printed on the label. Proceed to tap Log in or Devices. Now authenticate. If you use a TP Link ID, enter your email and password and tap Login. This syncs cloud settings. Alternatively, choose Local Login and type the router admin password from the label to access local controls. After authentication, the app will list nearby devices, select your router by name, and verify the signal icon. Make sure you accept any permission requests so the app can pair. If a firmware prompt appears, note the version, but you can skip updates until after you finish basic access. Finish by following final setup screens and confirming SSID and admin preferences. You can change the router name here if you want. Save any changes and test internet access with a quick web page or app refresh to confirm successful login. If something goes wrong, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Restart the router and your phone, then reconnect to the router's Wi-Fi and retry login. If that still fails, connect via Ethernet or use the local login with the printed admin password.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.